Okay, and here you can see there is a very bright work light of our DSG 250 hose crimping machines. So if you have to do the crimping job when it is very dark outside, you don't need to worry about everything because our machine has a very bright working light, so you don't need to worry about that. Okay, and here you can see there are the 10 sides of the molds. If you always need to change the size of the dies, we would suggest you to buy our DSG 250 with quick change switch ones, because that can save much more time and much more energy. Some customers come to us to ask me to, okay, hello my friend, welcome to our live show.